Hello students, today we are going to see the algorithm how to insert the element in the array. We are going to see the different operations on the array as we have seen the traversing of the linear array. Now we'll see how to insert the element of the array. Afterwards we are going to see the deletion of the element from the array. There are the different algorithm for these operations. Now we'll see insert algorithm in a array. Now we can see insert the element in an algorithm of array, that different algorithms are there. We can insert the element at the beginning of the array, we can insert the element at the end of the array, and we can insert the element in the middle of the array. When we are inserting at the beginning and at the end, it is a very simple to insert the element. When we want to insert the element in the middle of the array, that time we see how it works for the algorithm. Now see, in an algorithm we take the different variables: li, that is the linear array, then n, that is the total number of the elements in the array, means how much elements are there in array. Then k is the positive integer, any positive integer. It is the any positive integer means it is the location in which or in at what location you are going to insert in the array. That k should be less than equals to n, means before the ending point of the element of the array you have to insert that item particular. Then see the algorithm. Initialize the counter, set I is equals to n. Then repeat step 3 and 4 while j is less than greater than equals to k. Set LA linear array of j plus 1 is equals to linear array of j. Then decrease the counter. Then insert element and reset the element. That is the size of the array. Now what is the logic? I am showing you. Consider that this is the array. In this array you are inserting the elements 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are the elements in your array. Now here you want to insert the different element, that is the 6. Now in this, here we can say that 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the indexes of your array. So 3 is located at the 0, 5 is at the 1, 7 is at the 2, 9 is at the 3 and 11 is at the 4. As we started from the 0, so end point will be 4. If we started with the 1, then here it will be 5. So in our array there are the total 5 elements are there. Now as per the logic of the insertion of the element, what we want to do, the 6 element, that is the actual value of the 6, that is this 6 we want to insert here, that is the at the place of 7. So how will it happens is, so what to do, this 11 we shifted here, this 9 is shifted at the place of 11 and this 7 is shifted at the place of 9. So these become blank. When this become blank, that time we place this 6 value in this 7 pole, that is the 11. So what is the position of that? That is the 2. Okay, so index value, we are inserting this 6 element in an array at the index value 2. Okay, now what is our first step? Set j is equals to n. So what is this? N. And this is also j is equals to n. So j is now our j is equals to 4. Index value is 4. Now what is second? Repeat step 3 and 4 while j is greater than equals to k. What is our k? This is our k. That is, we are inserting the 6 value at the location of 2. That is the k. So k is equals to 2. Check this condition. 4 is greater than equals to 2. Condition is true. Okay. When condition is true, what we want to do? Set linear array of j plus 1 is equals to linear array of j. Now our j is at the location 4 as here. So this is our fourth location and this is the j plus 1 location. So j plus 1 is what? What is our j? What is statement? J plus 1 is equals to LA of J. Now our J is 4. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. And which is the element or the position of the J? That is the 11. So 11 is shifted over here. So 11 becomes here and now it becomes empty. Okay. Then next step, decrease the counter. J is equals to J minus 1. J is equals to J minus 1. What is our J? 5. That is the 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So J becomes 3. So we are coming here. That now we are working on this element. Perform the same procedure. Again go here, check that, perform the step 2. J is greater than equals to K. 3 is greater than equals to, what is our K? 2. Condition is true. Go to the next step. LA of linear array of J plus 1 is equals to linear array of J. Means what is the J? 3 plus 1. That is the fourth. In fourth position, which element we have to write? That is the put LA of J. Now in LA of J, which element is there? 9. So 9 will come here. It becomes the empty. This position. Okay. Now decrease the counter again. So J is equals to J minus 1. What is previous J? 3. So 3 minus 1. So J becomes 2. Okay. We'll check. 2 is greater than equals to K. 2 is greater than equals to 2. Condition is true. So it will come. J plus 1 is equals to LA of J. So what is the J plus 1? 2 plus 1. 3. In 3, what we want to shift? LA of J. Okay. What is the value at LA of J? 7. So 7 is shifted at the position of 3. So 3, 7 becomes here. Now this place become empty. So in this place, what we want to do? Again we go to the next step. Set J is equals to J minus 1. So what is our J now? J is equals to 2. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. We'll check. 1 is greater than equals to 2. That is this condition. Condition becomes false. So what we are going to do? Now condition becomes false. So it will come from the loop. End of the step 2 loop. So it will not perform this one. It will come insert element set LA of K is equals to item. This is our item, that is the 6 that we are going to insert it over here. And next step is equal to reset n. Set n is equals to n plus 1. N is equals to n plus 1. What is our previous n? That is the total number of the element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So total number of elements in our array becomes 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 element total becomes in our array. So this is the algorithm to insert the element in array. What we did? We just shifted the last element in the next cell. And in at location, at which location we want to insert that particular item, that we make empty, and when it becomes empty, in that we insert this item. So this is the way how to insert the element in a linear